Hi, it's Richard at the Property Centre. Today we're off to a fantastic 4-bedroom end-of-terrace home in St Anne's. This property is an eco-home built in 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
All my pride on the table, I was willing and able, willing and able. All of my patience has run dry, 'cause you've been wasting all my precious time. How do you look me in the eye when I already told you? Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke and we're still stuck on repeat, yeah. Well, you come and you go, but baby, this love ain't free. So the record's been broke, but we're still on repeat, yeah. I'm counting 17 reasons not to